It's time. You ate meals with a purpose. Nutrition stands as a major factor in the yearly setback of over 30% of people failing their fitness goals. Surprisingly, nearly 40% of goal setters fall short of accomplishing even half of what they set to achieve. This results in a significant population not realizing their true potential and living a life beneath their deserved standards. The consequences of an unhealthy diet extend beyond shape and physicality. It impedes overall well-being. A poor diet not only hurts energy levels and ambition, but also leads to reduced productivity, heightened mood swings, and increased digestive problems and inflammation. Our mission is not merely about looking better through healthy eating. It's a broader mission that calls for everyone to lead a better life. This involves consuming food tailored to individual needs and sourced ethically and organically, ensuring a positive impact on both personal well-being and the environment. Meal Prep Sunday, initiated in 2016, not for physical or beauty aspects, but to instigate positive change. Our tested, proven, and repeatable process is unique to Meal Prep Sunday and its mission to transform the world, one plate at a time. Experience the difference in 5 steps. 1. Go on our website and discover exactly what your body needs without the hassle of research or extended study. 2. We'll calculate the precise amounts of carbs, fats, and protein tailored to your body for swift and effective results. 3. Our seasoned chefs with their decades of culinary experience ensure each bite is a journey worth taking. Here comes the game changer. 4. Our world-class sealing technology removes all air, reducing oxidation and preserving freshness for up to 7 days. And 5. Receive free Sunday delivery with an insulated bag to ensure optimal freshness for your meals. Enjoy a curated selection of entirely new dishes each week, ensuring a diverse and engaging experience that eliminates boredom and keeps dining exciting. Don't just take our word for it. Listen to the members of our family.
Meal Prep Sunday has changed my life.
I lost 10 pounds.
I've already lost body fat.
I've gained 5 pounds of muscle.
In less than 2 months.
Couple months.
I feel better. I look better.
My skin looks great.
Even my hair feels better.
There's no better results anywhere.
Our vision is to redefine healthy eating, making it exciting, affordable, and time efficient. Our service is designed to be your secret weapon for personal growth and an enhanced quality of life. We've kept it hassle-free with no contracts, cancellation fees, or hidden charges. Try our service at half off your first order, just $5.90 a meal, saving you approximately $60 a week and freeing up 10 hours of your valuable time with no shopping, no cooking, or cleaning. Just steady progress in making positive change and affecting others along the way.